Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to save your CorelDraw file as PDF and password protected PDF in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Export right here. Go ahead and click on Export. Then this is going to bump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you choose your file destination. I'm going to save this file to my desktop right here. The next thing you want to do is to, under the Save As type right here, click on here, and then make sure you choose Portable Document Format right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on Export. Now you are here. This is where you do the preset and add your password security right here. Here you have general settings. Current documents has been selected. Then go ahead and go on to the color. If you have any color choice, you can use right here. Go ahead and next to the document right here. So include comment, optimize for web, etc. So only one page. If it is a full screen or matte, you can select as the case may be right here. Go ahead and go to the next right here, which is object. Here you can decide to change the format right here. So how do you want the PDF to open? See, you want it to be in JPEG, you want it to be in LCW, zip file, or whatever. So I'm going to choose none right here. Next thing we want to do right here is to come to press. If it is a press document, so you can decide to add a bleed area right here. Lastly, you come to security right here. This is where you put password protect your document right here. Go ahead and click on open password, which simply means that if anybody have access to this PDF file, they will need to put in the password before they can open it in order to protect our file. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and enter a password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here and enter password. Having entered the password, come to the confirm password right here and retype the same password. Lastly, come down below right here and click on OK. And in a few seconds, your file will be successfully exported as PDF passworded in CorelDraw. Next thing I'm going to do is to minimize my current file. Then we have the file right here in PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and open the PDF right here. And it's automatically load and ask for password right here. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my password, then click on open file. Then we have the file right here in PDF file format. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.